YouTube, back again with another video. Today is a Snap-on tool haul that I got. I got a set of box end straight double box end metric 0 offset wrenches from Snap-on. Part number XDHFM606. If I bought those wrenches, I got the clock free. So let's open it up. Wrenches cost, I believe, $3.50. Here's a closer look on the Snap-on double box end wrenches. 0 degree, very good straight. Funny how yesterday I just got the Mountain ratcheting double box end flex, and then Snap-on had a deal. Buy these, get the clock free, and they want me because of the clock. But it's always good to have a non-flexing double box and wrench and a flexing one. So this is just an unboxing. If you want a more in-depth review, let me know on the comments, and we'll have a more in-depth review. We'll have measurements, me actually using them. I could make a video on me using them. There's the 15-16. So it goes 10, 11, all the way to 20. Yeah, no skips. I do a Cornwell tool haul, and those mountain wrenches that I did skipped 11. So this is 10 to 20, no skips. 10, yep, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, no, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20. I don't know if you're gonna ever use a 20. I have never used a 20. So but at least they don't skip, because the mountain wrenches didn't have the 11 that I really wanted, but they were ratcheting and flexing and reversible. So it's a good set to have. Now let's open the clock. Put those off to the side. We have a Snap-on 100 anniversary clock. And the part number right there, SSX20P138. So it comes in well secured. It won't break. there. That's what the clocks are there. There's the clock. Takes your regular 110 connection. Oh, look at that. That is sick. I'll do another video of it, me mounted and turned on. And then here's a back view. And that's where you would mount it right here. It's plastic. And then here's a little, I don't know what that is. Maybe to adjust the time. And then a little pull on chain. So that's the camera. That's the clock. It comes with this paperwork. See, it would be cool if this was a sticker. That'd be awesome. Here's specs if you guys are interested. Pause the video. Learn about the specs. That's the paperwork. And I think that's it. Yep. That's it. So this is the Snap-on tool haul. I'm still thinking of making now Snap-on, Cornwell, and Macro tool haul separate, individual, not put them all at once, because I've been noticing my videos are really long. To keep the video short, I'll do it separate, unless I just get one thing per truck, like one solder iron, one socket set, and one hammer. I'll put them all in together, but I'm gonna try to start making their own videos. So we're gonna cut to me mounting this on, so you guys can see how it looks, and I'll catch you guys later. As you see, I mounted the clock in my room. If you're gonna mount this clock, do not use these little tacks. This clock is heavier than these, and it'll drop the clock eventually and break your clock. So just a little tip there. You're gonna actually have to screw it into the wall, find the stud and screw it on there. So as you notice, the little second timer is at a constant speed, kind of like a the dashboard or RPMs. That's kind of cool. And then there's the chain here. We'll pull the chain, and that's how it looks mounted. That is sick. Look at that. Oh. Thank you again for watching my video, and I'll see you guys later.